15x squared minus 10x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, and once again, I want to identify my A, B, and my C. There, so A this time is 15, B equals negative 10, and C equals 1. Okay, so B squared minus 4AC. Okay, so we have negative 10 squared minus 4 times 15 times 1. Okay, negative 10 squared is 100. So I have 100 minus 4 times 15 is 60. And then 60 times 1 is 1. So I have 100 minus 60, which equals, and I'm going to put my D there, D equals 40. Okay, so now since my discriminant is 40 in this case, as you can see up top, when D is greater than 0, then you have two real solutions. So that tells me that there are two real numbers that satisfy this quadratic equation.